Can't find it. I'm not scrolling back 6 years in my recorded videos, but what I will do for you, Pseudo Kid, is I will just do it live. Gonna need to be back in a bit. Look and go get some work stuff. So somebody clip this for Pseudo Kid. So we have our mesh, Pseudo Kid, who's left the building. We have our mesh with body, and then inside body we parented the wheels, right? File, export, FBX, whatever. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Visible objects, just the mesh. Export the FBX. I don't know where that actually exported to. C documents untitled.fbx. Fantastic. Let's put that on a different window. C. Oh, I can just go to my documents and then it's untitled.fbx. I've got it. Fantastic. Then we open up a Unreal project. Let's put it into where is it? My eyes don't work anymore. Too build, too furious. So obviously you need to do the setup for your Unreal export from Blender or your FBX settings setup so it's the right size, because different 3D modeling systems use different units to Unreal, because Unreal is a psychopath, he uses centimeters, which is not an SI unit. It's not an imperial standard unit. It's rubbish. Centimeters is crazy. Me? Project open. It is already garbled and garbage anyway. So we have the player car folder already open to receive our new untitled.fbx FBX. You select skeletal mesh at the top here. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Import all. Boom. 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 There you go. You have the mesh names as the bone names. You have the bones where the meshes are. The meshes where the bones are. It's imported it. It's skeletal. You can do whatever you want with it in the engine now. I hope you enjoyed this short video on how to make a skeletal mesh from non-skeletal mesh components. Obviously, these could be your car parts, your wheels, your windows, your doors, whatever. As long as they are parented to whatever they need to be parented to, they will have an object reference bone set to them, and they can be moved with either directly, with inverse kinematics, with direct kinematics, or with physical simulation. No problem. You just set those in the Unreal Engine, and you're good to go. You're good to roll. Hope that helps, Pseudo Kid. Don't save.